Hey there mga my loves, Taurus! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So kung hindi nyo pa knows na mayroon tayong new channel, ang Dal Memes. So yan, no, ang channel na yan no, ay nasa description box ang link niyan. No? Yan ay collective all signs reading. Kaya kahit ano pang zodiac sign mo, pwede ka doon. So maaaring meant to hear din nyo ang mga mensahe na nakapaloob doon. So you might want to make tambay din there. And also do not forget, no, if you haven't subscribed, meron din tayo for you guys. Ang All About Taurus, no, in English language naman yon. So, link niya na nasa description box. So, if you're dealing with Taurus, you can flip roles, no? Welcome rin ang cross-watchers there. So, for today, we're gonna take a look at, no, ano ba yung tatlong bagay na kailangan mo right now? Ano yung tatlong bagay na yun, and we're gonna get advice for that. So, let's see. Spirits and Angel, guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Tell me the three things that Taurus needs right now. Just take how this resonates. We do not have any gender. And of course, this is timeless. But we're getting that particular question, no? Na ano ba tong tatlong bagay na need mo right now? So, mga babes, no? Maaring kung ikaw ay na-attract dito sa reading na to, no, kahit ito ay matagal ng upload, kung sakaling matagpuan mo to, no, dekada mo lang ngayon, no, maaring makaresonate ka pa rin dahil timeless ito. So, alamin natin, what are the three things Taurus needs to know right now? Ano tong tatlong bagay na kailangan nila ngayon? Kailangan ni Taurus now? Angels and Spirit Guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. What is this three things Taurus needs to know? Three things. For some reason, let's get this. So the first thing that you need right now is this Three of Earth energy. Talent, recognition, collaboration. Okay? You're telling me that you need right now is yung klase rito no ng confidence. Okay? Kailangan mo ngayon no ng passion for work, no. So yung ibang mga babes no, pwedeng kayo to na tinatamad kayo or you feel lazy right now, and this is you lack energy, you lack passion right here. Yung iba, pwedeng tinatamad kayo, pwedeng kayo to na parang nawawalan kayo ng gana when it comes to your work. You need that type of energy, no, na parang gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. So, yung iba, pwedeng nagwo-work lang kayo at nagpapatuloy kayo sa work ninyo, pero hindi naman talaga nandyan yung heart ninyo. So, whatever the case may be, this is you. You want to earn money, but you also want here na naka-align na rin yung interest at mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, no. Gusto mo yung feeling, no, na naririnig mo yung kumikita ka, no, pero nag-i-enjoy ka and you feel like, no, na parang yung gusto mo yung klase ng energy na kumikita ka, no, pero parang hindi ka nagwo-work because you love what you do, no? Parang okay lang na mag-OT ka, okay lang na gawin mo yung trabaho na yan, no, kasi mahal mo yung ginagawa mo. So, I think you need passion right now. Kailangan mo ngayon na ma-align yung sarili mo, ma-connect yung sarili mo sa ginagawa mo, no? This time, this is you. You not just need money, but you also need that kind of connection sa ginagawa mo. Yan, no? This is you, no? Nagiging matured na or nagkakaroon na ng maturity yung pag-iisip mo, no? Na gusto mo ditong kumita, no? Na nandoon din yung passion mo. And I think your angels and spirit guides right here, no, are guiding you on the right path. So it looks like there is a reason right now, no, kung bakit ito yung kailangan mo ngayon. Kasi yung iba, napapansin ng inyong mga guardians right here, no, na you feel stress, okay? And sometimes, no, you feel like it's not anymore important to dream. Parang kailangan kasi ng pera ngayon eh. Kailangan makabili ng dapat mga kailangan sa bahay or kailangan matustusan yung mga ganitong mga needs, no? Kailangan mabili yung mga bagay na ganito, yan, no? So, this is you. You're prioritizing money and it all drain your energy. No, nade-drain ito yung energy mo right here. So, what you need right now is to align yourself in that passion and love for work. So it looks like what you need right now, no, is find that inside you. Worth it pa ba na ituloy mo yung trabaho na yan or yung work mo na yan or yung career mo na yan. Yung iba nakakuha tayo ng energy ng mga student, no? Parang hindi naman yan yung kursong gusto mo, no? Pwedeng napipilitan ka lang, no? Or parang I'm getting the type of vibe no, that money is needed for that pinakagusto mo na kurso, pero medyo expensive yon. So, you might want right here, no, na parang mag-reassess, no, if this is something here that you want pa rin. Yan, no? And pangalawang kailangan mo right here is this three of water. So, you could be seeing a lot of number threes, no? Which is a positive sign because that is an indication that balance is about to unfold in your life. So, nakikita ko dito what you need right now is your friends. What you need right now is your family here, no, around you. And what you need right now is their support. Puwede mo silang tanungin 'no, yung mga opinyon nila 'no, puwede mo silang mga babes kausapin right here. Kahit yung mga friends mo na kalog 'no, kapag seryoso ang usapan at alam nilang may problema ka 'no, magbibigay pa rin sila rito ng tamang advice sa'yo, Taurus 'no. At nakikita ko 'no, that they will support you right here 'no, susuportahan ka nila sa mga pagbabago na gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. So, kung naguguluhan ka dun sa trabaho mo or sa kursong kukunin mo, or sa pinagkakakitaan mo ngayon, no, you might want to seek advice from your friends, no? Merong mga times na kalog sila kausap, pero kaya rin nila maging seryoso kung okay, kailangan talaga ng seryosong usapan, lalo na kung ikaw ay may pinagdadaanan. So, nakikita ko dito suportado nila ang mga pagbabagong ito, no, with lots of butterflies right here. I'm picking up, no, na yung tulong at pwede pa ngang offer 'no, ng tulong, like literally puwedeng ma-refer ka pa nila 'no or maging, daan pa sila para mahanap mo rito 'no, yung perfect na trabaho rito for you guys 'no. So whatever the case may be, your friends are always ready to help, your family members din 'no, at ang parents mo. So makakuha ka rito 'no ng maayos at matiwasay na advice mula sa iyong soul tribe at community 'no. So yung iba, hindi lang ito mga friends mo 'no, if you are in a loving relationship right now, you can also ask advice from your partner here. Your partner will be grateful 'no, na ka sa kanya dito ng advice at magiging open ka sa kanya patungkol dito sa iyong feelings and emotions 'no. Kasi I think ang problema mo 'no is yung money. Actually, yung money at yung parang passion kasi parang pagod ka na agad, eh, na parang hindi mo ramdam yung trabaho mo, hindi mo ramdam 'no, doesn't have to be na yung iba, hindi ramdam yung trabaho, puwedeng hindi mo ramdam yung pera mo. 'Yan. So, you feel like 'no, na parang ikaw 'to na dumadaan ka sa problem or pagsubok when it comes to money. Pero magbabago na 'yan because you're seeing here a lot of trees 'no. That changes is about to happen here in your life and I'm seeing that with a lot of plants and trees and greeneries around you, I'm picking up that you will be celebrating soon 'no, diyaan sa iyong tagumpay or freedom 'no, dito sa iyong iniisip na problema. Your friends are willing to help 'no, at yung mga angels and spirit guides mo na parang nagkatawang lupa sila rito 'no, using your friends or your colleagues or your soul tribe right here to help you out. And the third thing na kailangan mo is this five of air energy, is strategy, no? Kailangan mo ng reassessment rito, no? At kung makikita mo, your angels and spirit guides are guiding you. Nakaupo ka sa upuan na may angel wings, no? And this is a chess board. At ang chess, hindi ka mananalo dyan kung hindi mo gagamitin 'no ang iyong brain or ang inyong isip rito 'no para manalo. So, it only means that for you to be able to win this type of problem or solution, you need to focus your mind right here in the effective strategies 'no. Puwede kayo rito mga babes na mag-isip ng mga bagay rito 'no, or i-consider ninyo yung mga advices 'no, na binigay ng mga friends ninyo 'no. Dahil from there, makakagawa ka ng strategy rito kung paano susolusyunan yung problema mo. Lalo na nakikita ko problema 'yan sa pera or problema 'yan sa trabaho dito. Yung iba kasi parang hindi niyo alam 'no, kung gusto niyo ba talaga yung trabaho na yun or hindi, 'no? Parang ang tagal niyo ng ganyan, and then this is you. You will definitely come out from that and balance will soon happen in your life, 'no? Pero okay lang 'yan 'no, hindi mo na kailangan mag-regret dito para sa mga nasayang na oras na yun. Parang iba kasi, parang kayo 'to na ano ba yun, parang inaral ko pa yung kurso na yun tapos hindi ko naman pala talaga gusto. 'Yan, yung iba may gano'n tayong nakukuha rito. So, now is the time for you to make a change. Now, make some kind of strategies right here that will improve you, no? More. So, nakikita ko yun dito. Strategies ang kailangan mo rito, babes, na in your angels and spirit guides will help you. They will send you right here concepts, ideas, no? Napapasok na lang bigla, magpa-pop out sa isipan mo, no? At yun na pala yung tulong, no? Na galing sa yung mga angels and spirit guides right here. Definitely, communication yun. Galing sa yung mga spirits and angel guides. So, hingi tayo na advice, no, from them para dito sa inyong situation, Taurus. Advice for Taurus. Right at the center of your reading is celebration. Three of Water is the Three of Cups energy. So, kung ano man itong problema ninyo sa money, no, or problema ninyo sa inyong work or career, nakikita ko, or business man yan, na masusolusyonan din yan. Strategy ang kailangan ninyo at nandiyan ang inyong pamilya to support you. Pwedeng manggaling pa nga sa kanila, no, yung bagong offer ng job, no. Pwedeng, uy, pwede ka sa amin, alam mo ba? Yung tinapos mong kurso or yung gusto mo na yan, vacant position yan sa amin. Yan. Diba? So, okay. Let's get advice. Advice here for you, Taurus, in this type of situation. Yeah, we're gonna get this. Is this Ace of Fire energy, Knight of Air energy right here, Seven of Earth energy, and we have here this Justice, balance. Everything will be balanced here for you guys, no? Especially dito sa problema mo right here. Number 8 is the number of finances. Number 8 is the number of finances, and I'm picking up that you will be in connection right here to your passion, okay? To your interest talaga. And Ace of Fire, Knight of Air energy, I'm seeing you getting excited, taking action here in investing here into something that you really like, no? Hindi ka na rito makikinig dun sa mga sinasabi na iba na, ayaw mong gawin yan kasi konti yung sahod dyan. Ayaw mong ituloy yan kasi hindi yan magbubunga ng maganda sa buhay mo. No? So this is you, tinatabi or sinasantabi mo na rito no, yung mga parang sasabihin ng iba. No? Kasi yung iba, pwedeng hindi nyo pinursue yung talagang gusto ninyo kasi may mga tao ritong kontra ron, no? Pero ngayon, oras na para gumawa ka rito ng sarili mong desisyon, no? At dito nakikita ko yung passion, yung excitement mo na nasimulan ulit rito, no? At dito nakikita ko makakapag-ipon ka na. Bakit? Kasi naka-align ka na ron eh, nakakonek ka na ron sa bagay na talagang gusto mo, Taurus, no? Alam mo kapag hindi mo talaga gusto yung isang bagay, kahit gawin anong gawin mo, hindi ka talaga magiging successful dun. Okay? Meron ka talagang hahanapin rito, no, na parang missing piece, no? So, we're gonna fill out that void. And whatever the case may be, when you love what you do, you feel like you're not working at all because you're enjoying. And if you happen to see 333, it's your sign, no? Sign na malapit ka na makaalis dyan. Sign na ang financial ay sa'yo. Balance of finances ito. See? Yung pagkinang no nasa noo, ibig sabihin, no, they're gonna send you, okay, using your mind, no, using your thinking right here, they're gonna send you, your angels and spirit guides are gonna send you here helpful tips, advices, concepts, or ideas that you might use at pwede sila ritong gamitin nila ang inyong mga friends, no, at yun yung mga magsabi sa inyo or magparating sa inyo ng mga bagay na ito. Yan, 'no. So, nakikita ko dito na magbabalik dito ang excitement ninyo at yung gusto mo rito na parang parang kumikita ka 'no, na mahal mo yung ginagawa mo ay darating na talaga. Yan 'no. So, thank you so much Taurus. 사랑해요. Love and light. 안녕.